Ryan, say hi. The vlog is working.
Yeah.
Say hi. Very masipag.
Very Latina.
Latino. Very oppa. Paano siya umakyat? Like,
Wide angle. Ay, oh, last one.
we don't know the history kasi wala kaming tour guide. Basta ano lang siya. Tourist spot.
Pili namin marami naman na napagdaanan yung lugar.
Marami nagpadala ng sulat dito. Kasi nga post office siya. So mamaya mamaya magpapadala kami ng sulat pa Manila. From me to me.
Yes. Nakarecord ka ba?
Yeah.
Sa future, lagay mo yun sa ano, di ba ni...
Trip, ayan, sa future ganito. Dapat pala may patarpulin tayong anim. Okay? Tripani Travels and Tours. Ay, ang cute to. Ikaw naman, Mi, say hi to the vlog. Ay, sabi, nagulat ako.
Bakit? Welcome to...
Hindi ko in-expect na dito ka sa likod.
From IU TV, welcome to TV TV.
Pangit ang pangit naman. Ang baho. So, anong TV TV? So, what can you say? So, where are we?
We are in Book
Oh, no.
and we are vlogging the vlogging.
Yeah.
Iba yung pawis.
What can you say?
Mainit.
Kaya na ba mag-lunch? Or nakapag ano na kayo?
Need na po ng, ano, need na po ng aircon.
Guys, hali kayo. Picture.
따로 부르는 거 알죠?
Sorry, it's okay. Hindi, yung picture. Video na scrap na lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay, katatabawa kayo. Actually, naka-video siya. So, what can you say sa Book Street? Say hi to the vlog, by the way. Wala kayong comment. Okay, they are speechless.
So many books.
Wow, in Book Street.
So hard.
It's a street full of books.
Yeah. And cafe.
Cafe, pero... Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, welcome to...
So, ano kami, drawing. Drawing. Papa-drawing kami. Where are we going? content ng aking vlog.
Ay, sorry. Ulit. Cancel na yan.
Cancel. Maka-cancel ka eh. Hi! Hi! Hi, madam. Hi! Ayan. Jamie. Here's our food.
Thank you na lang sa messenger. HD. Naubusan na na itlog.
Naubusan na itlog.
Close yan. Saka si Jamie.
River. Okay, and I really understand that this is your vacation, your time to relax, maybe after a whole year of working. Yeah, so I will try my best to have you fully enjoy the trip, fully understand about our country's history, cuisine, stuff like that. Yeah, so that's my mission today. Yeah, because our group here is a big group with 24 people. Yeah, with many small group. So in order to make our tour successful, I would love your collaboration. Yeah. Okay. So if there's anything wrong, if there's any problem, please tell me immediately. Yeah, so I can try my best to fix it. And and also when we
Huwag ka nga nahihiya, girl. Ikaw na, oh my gosh, girl, kahit saan nagiging tourist attraction ka. Girl, it's your chance, girl.
Dala na muna tayo sa iba. Balik na lang tayo dito.
Oh my gosh, naging tourist attraction na si Jamie.
Sa the alarm 4:10.
Yan, girl. Mukhang mabenta ka sa mga afam.
Natawa. Bigla naging tuloy
Lahat na
sa
sila
top.
nakatingin doon sa likod eh. Kung Jamie na sila nakatingin.
Oo nga eh.
Bigla kita.
Because number 9 is a lucky number in Asian culture. You know, number 9, number 5, number 7, lucky number. Yeah. So, however, actually, in fact, there's only 8 river. There's the Kawsi River, which means the front river, the front and the back. This is the front river. Yeah. So, you know, on this river, there are 4 islands named after 4 legendary creatures and Phoenix. Yeah, and we are going to the Unicorn Island. Okay, the Unicorn Island is the biggest one and the closest one. Yeah, just in front of us. Okay, so we're gonna listen to the Vietnamese folk song. Okay, we will listen to the music. So this kind of folk song was recognized as the cultural intangible heritage by UNESCO 2013. Yeah, so you know, this originated from the royal court music from the central Vietnam. It was performed for the king. Yeah, and in the south of Vietnam, this only the farmer play this kind of music. You know, the farmer after a hard working day at night, they gather at one house and they start playing musical instruments and sing along. That's how it performed. And you will hear this kind of music. It sounds pretty unique. because they remake every kind of the song with their own melody. Yeah, even an English song, yeah, or foreign song, they remake it with their melody. And the micro is so bad. Yeah, and after that, while listening to the music, we can also try the fresh fruit in this area. Okay, they use many fruit. Okay, and after that, we will walk a little to the honey farm and try the honey tea.
Sabi? Coconut. Passion.
Nagigising bukas. Bukas ang pinakatahimik na chat.
Manga, yes. Thank you.
Sunday na daw yun.
Ay, ano ba na-chat ko sa isa? Ano ba na-chat ko sa isa?
Wow, maganda. Can you picture? Africa.
Saan pa kasi ito, no?
Si Tita. Nakauubod.
Mamaya tulog na.
Kasi, Alvin, nakita kayo.
Nag-uunat.